Hello everyone, it is a hot day, but I'm out and about bringing you a video just in case somebody looking for a RV or travel trailer. This is 1995. When you walk in the door, you got your stove, sink, cabinet, microwave. Got your little oven, drawer, sink. Open the door here. Oh, you got bathtub. Wow. Sunlight. Shower. Medicine cabinet. Mirror. Storage there. Toilet. Oh, you got a little closet space. It's nice, huh? Hangs. It's long enough too, like fridge. Nice size. Oh, you got a nice size freezer. Nice. Storage up above. Storage there. This entrance. Sofa probably laid out to a bed. Chairs. Oh, look at the bed up there. Got a table here. What is this back here? Oh, you can, oh, wow, you can have a back patio. This is very interesting. These two chairs right here. These two chairs right here, if I would get this, I would take those out. I wouldn't need it because you got a long sofa. You got a sofa here, and it's long for plenty enough space. What I would do, probably build like a fake fireplace, put a TV there. Got more cabinets up here. It's a pretty good price for $13.95. Your door. Get me out of here. It's hot. I was thinking about getting one of those, but someone had one for sale for a good price, but I don't like those. I'm glad I checked it out. But that's a tailgate what I just came out of. Let's check Springdale out. See what's going on. Springdale. Okay, open. Spring right there. Hey, I like this. I like this. Got a lot of space. Cabinets right here. Let me get back so you can see. When you walk in the door. Got a leather seat. You got a table here. I don't know what that is. Table. And you got, hey, lit up here. You got lit down. You got a window. So you can sit right here. Ooh, sit down. Ooh, it feels comfortable. Ooh, it's comfortable. Ooh, this is ooh. Comfy. Look at here. I like the floor. Table. Window. Oh, this is nice. Line. This is nice. missing. Oh, it's scrap here. You let it off. All that storage up there. They already have a mount for your TV. Remote control and stuff. DVD. Something right there. Cabinet right here. It's pretty nice. Mirror right there. Nice closet. I would take this shelf out right here and just hang my clothes here and go from up. It's enough to put. Nice fridge. Oh, that's nice. Freezer. I'm gonna leave these open. They need to be left open when you're not in use, really. Kind of got a smell when I open that door. They got I guess it's a microwave or convention oven. But you already got your oven here, so nice oven. 3 burner, 1, 2, 3. All this cabinet space. You got a bunk bed. And you got a cabinet in there. See what this let up. Yes, it will let up. So with this, me personally, I would take this off. The top bump. I wouldn't want it in here. And I would use this for my bedroom here. And take, well, let's see. I wouldn't want to use the bed. I use this as storage. Yeah, I keep it just in case somebody, because I can stand up right here. Well, yeah, I keep it. Just put storage, but, oh, you got your outside, your sink here. Good. You know that water won't be on there. Cabinet. Mirror. Let's check. Storage here. Let's go to the bathroom, see what's going on in here. Oh, nice white pretty tub. Nice shower head. Skylight. Hook to hang. Nice side toilet. And look at your scrubber clean. Oh, bathroom case. Let me sit. Let me actually sit like I'm. Oh, that seat hard. Seat hard, but it's nice. I would get a solid cushion there. It's hard. I'm just being real. That's hard. That's nice. I would hang something here. Put more storage. It's pretty nice. Yeah, they got a place where you can put your TV. I already mounted up here. We go around. This is closed because you probably can bring it out. Yes. Gotcha. Wow. Like a nice, nice AC. Let's see if it's a heater. Yes, it's a heater and an air conditioner. Heat optional. Yes, that's nice. Let's see what the price of this one is. Oh, you got your light. You know that's not gonna be on. Nice side microwave. This is $27.95. Oh, forgot about the sink here. It's 2019. Nice cutting board. Oh, nice deep sink. Nice deep sink. This cutting board, to make it longer, I think I would. See, I'm always thinking to have more counter space. That's nice. Got your blinds here. Everything is cut down. Blinds here. It's nice. Light up under here. That's pretty cool. Nice screen door. Nice window there. Pretty nice. Go around here. Window for the pump. Oh, look at all that storage. All that storage up under there. That's the back end of that first one that we in. Water. We have city water, fresh water. This is something. Look at this event. That far. This is the blush. It say blush. Sandy blush. Satellite. I already got the. Oh yes, sticking your cable down. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drink plenty of water. Stay safe out here. Until next time, but let me go here. They have a lot more, you know, and I will let you take a tour of them next time. So, with that being said, bye, 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 bye. Love you guys. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, hit that top bell, ding, ding.